all, yeah.
Watch out.
Boston. He's all, this floor is Boston right here. Look at.
On the black sheet. Where'd he go? He's gone.
The guy's not even dancing. He's just walking like that. He's all hurting and shit.
I have a condition.
Somebody help me. Just laugh.
Jiminy Jellicers.
I have a serious seizure condition. Oh, it's Pierce. What the fuck was that? That was a pretty good chicken noise. That guy made a chicken noise. I really good one
You got Paul Pierce's snatch on your neck, man. It's clean.
My mic is crazy.
Really? They won last year?
What the fuck, man? Because I don't look at me.
He's alright, Lakers, man. I was just sunburned.
Looks like on the fucking epic movie, how the Charlie Murphy.
Microwave popcorn. Squeeze it. Why is everyone taking pictures? It's because we're so hairy, man.
That bitch is on sweating right now.
Or what? What the fuck? He's wearing 3D glasses.
Time to jump over, the police going to get you. So last time they didn't do it like this.